Hello everyone, I am Joseph Yakin, Assistant Professor, Assam Downtown University. So today I am going to discuss about one topic, that is complexometric titration. So what is complexometric titration? It is a form of volumetric titration in which the formation of colored complex occurs, and that indicates the endpoint of titration. So the complexes are formed by the reaction of some metal ion like an acceptor or a central atom or a cation with an anion, and a neutral molecule or very rarely a positive ion. So firstly one metal ion will be there, and that will form complex with maybe with anion, maybe with a neutral molecule, or sometime with the positive ions. So complexometric titrations are particularly useful for the determination of mixture of different metal ions in the solution. If there is a presence of metal ion in a solution, so we can determine that one. An indicator capable of producing and distinct color change is usually used because there is a formation of color at the end point. So we use an indicator that is capable of producing and distinct color. And then complexometry, so it is a type of volumetric analysis involving the formation of complexes. Formation of complex will occur with that already I have told, that formation of complex formation of metal with some other ions like anions or positive ions or neutral molecules. And it is a type of volumetric analysis involving the formation of complex which are slightly ionized in solution like weak electrolyte and sparingly soluble salt. And complex is formed by the reaction of metal ion with either an anion or a neutral or a positive ion. Examples are given here, you can see. And metal ion is known as central metal atom. The anion or neutral molecule is like this. Here you can see the reactions I have given with that central metal ion form complex with other anions or neutral ions. Here you can see the examples reactions I have given. And central metal atoms act as Lewis acid. Lewis acid means electron acceptor. Then ligand, what are the ligands? Act as a Lewis base, that is electron donor. And coordinate bond, that is dative. The bond formed between central metal atom, that is acceptor, and a ligand, that is donor. Dative bond means it's a similar to covalent bond formed of two electrons, but in dative bond the electrons pair are donated from one atom to the other. The atom gives electron pair is known as donor, while the atom acceptor electron pair is known as acceptor. Here you can see I have given the arrow from donor to acceptor. From donor to acceptor, here you can see copper is formed as an acceptor. What is coordination number? This coordination number of coordinate bonds formed to a metal ion by its ligands. And characters of coordination number, so it is sometimes in even number, that is 2, 4, 6. Here you can see I have given the examples also: argon, neon, copper, chromium. And another one is, it is usually double bond, the charge of the metal. The charge of complex is algebraic sum of the charges of a central ion and a ligand. Example I have given the reaction. Here you can see Ag form with Cn and Fe form with Cl. The higher the valence of the metal ion, the more the stable complex stable complex formation will be there. Example, that is ferricyanide is more stable than a ferrocyanide. So here you can see the reaction I have given, formation of FeCl. Thank you.